potato bread stir fry, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the one-pot meals and one of the most delicious of the meals under $1 and one of the most easiest to make of the potato recipes and one of the most unique of the bread recipes and one of the most different of the stir fry recipes. Today we're going to make potato bread stir fry. The ingredients are around 150 grams of potatoes, peel and cut into pieces. Put in the potatoes into the pressure cooker. Now put in salt to taste. Pour in around 200 ml of water. Mix. And let this mixture cook for 10 to 15 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now put in the fennel seeds. Mix. Let this mixture cook for 10 to 15 minutes in the pressure cooker. The next ingredients are 1 tomato cut into pieces, around 10 grams of black gram, and around 1 spoon of nigella seeds, 3 to 4 red chillies. Take 4 slices of bread. From this, take 1 slice. Make it into small pieces. Tear it into small pieces. Alternatively, you can cut it into small square pieces also. Do this with the rest of the bread slices. Until all the bread slices are made into these pieces. Heat the pan, pour in 10 ml oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the black pepper we have taken off into the skin of the black gram. Now put in the nigella seeds. Let them pop. Now put in the chillies and the red chili and tomatoes. Put in the cooked potatoes. Salt and mix. Thoroughly salt and mix. Mix that in. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Thoroughly mix. Mix thoroughly. Now put in the bread pieces that we made into small pieces and mix. Mix that in. sorting and mixing. Now the potato bread stir fry is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final potato bread stir fry. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bread recipes and one of the most unique of the stir fry recipes and one of the most unique of the one pot meals and one of the most easiest to make of the meals under $1. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.